Good evening folks, this is Christian. So during this dark times, we are the last and final channel to give you valuable information. So there has been a strange video which is breaking down the internet for a while. To tell you about that information, here comes the channel reporter Jennifer.
After the whole scenario of dark shadow forces controlling governments of the world, when no peace or hope left on humanity's side of redemption, an anonymous footage of some strangers trespassing inside one of the dark forces allied bases is now out. It seems like this man had single-handedly knocked them down. This recent turn of event has bursted out on the internet with billions of views and support worldwide. Who is this man? Will he be a change of humanity's redemption? God help us all. This man, I'm breaking up. Someone's interrupting.
Is this thing on? Jennifer?
Hey, this is some sort of prank. You better cut off now.
Whoa, Jennifer, calm down. This is not a prank. No, not at all. No. I'm just a big fan. I just wanted to say hello. Hey Christian, hey Jennifer. Sorry guys, I had to hack into your system. Jennifer, Christian, I'm really sorry about this. I had to put you guys on mute for a while, but you guys can still hear me. And so is the whole world. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to share this to the world. I just wanted you guys to have this. I should have done this a long time ago. I'm sorry. I really am. I thought humanity will find its redemption, but we didn't. We made this worse, and we are making this worse. And the world do not know what to do now. Well, you never learn until something happens, right? But I'm here because I feel responsible. And I'm here to take responsibility. There's a killer virus overwhelming us. And to worse, the dark forces of hell threatening the world. So I'm here to give a message. Humanity's greatest weapon against the dark forces, it's not the guns, not the explosives, but the faith that we have in God. World, listen carefully. The light shines brighter in the darkness, so do not be afraid of the darkness. Yes, Jennifer?
Excuse me, who are you again?
Where's my manners? Yeah. My name is Logan, and I'm here to fight, and I fight to protect life. Jennifer, Kristen, I am the man on your screen.